नमस्ते। गुरुवार के हिंदी क्लास में आप सबका स्वागत। आज क्या करेंगे? हाँ, लास्ट टाइम we had learned some words that we use in the classroom, right? Certain things about the school and certain things about the classroom. I had taught you some words, right? What are they? विद्यालय से संबंधित शब्द. So we will revise all those words. Shall we? Okay. Come. First one, school. Who can tell me what is the word for school in Hindi? I already said it. What is it? Vidyalay. Can you all repeat one more time? Vidyalay. Vidyalay. Good. Next, teacher. What is it? Adhyapak. Adhyapak. Or you say, if it is a lady teacher like Miss Juno, you will say Adhyapika. Adhyapika. Next one, pen. Pen. What is it in Hindi? पेन को कलम बोलते हैं. हिंदी में कलम, कलम बोलते हैं. कलम. नेक्स्ट, पेपर. पेपर को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? कागज. कागज. बोलो, कागज. गुड. टेबल. टेबल को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? मेज. मेज. बोलो, मेज. नेक्स्ट वन, ब्लैक बोर्ड. ब्लैक बोर्ड को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? श्याम पट्ट. श्याम पट्ट. गुड. देन चेयर. चेयर को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? कुर्सी. कुर्सी पे बैठो. कुर्सी. नेक्स्ट वन, रबर. रबर को हिंदी में रबड़ बोलते हैं. रबड़. 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 नेक्स्ट वन, बुक. वो बुक, I told you can say two words. There is either you can say kitab or you can say पुस्तक. किताब नहीं तो पुस्तक. जैसे कि कार्य पुस्तिका नहीं तो अभ्यास पुस्तिका. पुस्तक. नेक्स्ट वन, क्लॉक. घड़ी. 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 घड़ी में समय दे के बताओ. समय मीन्स टाइम. नेक्स्ट वन इज डस्टबिन. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं डस्टबिन को? कूड़ेदान. कूड़ेदान. कूड़ेदान में क्या डालते हो? कचरा. ओके, सारे कचरा को उठा के कूड़ेदान में फेंको नहीं तो डालो. कूड़ेदान. नेक्स्ट वन, पेंसिल बॉक्स. कलमदान. You keep pencils, pen and pencils you called as kalam, right? So if you keep it inside a box, that will called as kalamdan. Kalamdan. Okay. Then I'm giving you two more words, okay? Just two more words. The stool that we use here, the peg stool that we use for sitting or for standing, for keeping and writing is called as chauki. This I don't have to explain to you. Chauki you know already. We work always using the chauki. That's a stool, okay? Chauki. Chauki. Next one is bag. How can we miss out the bag? That only you put all the kitab and kalamdan and kalam, everything rubber सब उसके अंदर रख के जाते हो ना. तो बैग को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? बस्ता. बस्ता. Tell basta. Okay, shall we go through all the words one more time? Come. School. विद्यालय. Say school. विद्यालय. Teacher. अध्यापिका. Teacher. अध्यापक. नहीं तो अध्यापिका. Pen. कलम. कलम. Paper. कागज. कागज. Next. Table. मेज. मेज. Blackboard. श्यामपट्ट. श्यामपट्ट. Chair. कुर्सी. कुर्सी. Rubber. Sorry, rubber is rubber. Rubber. Book. पुस्तक. पुस्तक. नहीं तो किताब. Clock. घड़ी. घड़ी. Next. Dustbin. कूड़ेदान. कूड़ेदान. Pencil box. कलमदान. कलमदान. Stool. चौकी. चौकी. Why it's called chowki is because it has got 4 legs and 4 you say it as chaw. Okay, we learned the song no, तीसरे हाथी ने तीन मोटे हाथी क्या किए उन्होंने, पिंजरे में जाके फंसे ना, चौथी हाथी को इशारे से बुलाया. 4th one, चौथे हाथी को इशारे से बुलाया. So chaw means 4. Chowki means which has 4 legs. Generally your chair, everything has 4 legs only, but the stool, because it has 4 legs, they call it as chowki. 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 Chaw means 4. Okay. Next one, you learned even chokon. Is it not? Trikon, chokon. Good. Like that. Next one is bag. Basta. Basta. Okay. Now I had given you a scrapbook activity to paste all these pictures, right? Yeah. I want you to stick at least 10 pictures. Okay, 10 pictures at least I want you to stick, and so that you will try to remember the names. If you can get all the pictures, well and good. Okay, will you do it? Okay. So one scrapbook activity is this thing for you in Hindi. Okay, great. Okay, now what shall we do? We will see our letter that we had learned in Hindi. What did we learn? We learned pa. Is it not? Pa. Pa. Pa से पानी. और क्या देखा हमने? Pa से papita. Papita means papaya. Okay, then pa से पांच. 5. Very good. Then pa से पत्ता. नहीं तो पत्ते, leaves. Leaves, पत्ता. pa से पहाड़, mountain. Then pa से what is the thing that flies in the sky? Patang. Okay. Then pa से what's that angel which I showed you, which was there in your Bal Prabodhini? Pa से pari, angels, pari. Okay. Then pa से pakshi, birds. Pa से fan. For fan what do you say? Pa से pankha. Kha. It is actually kha. Pankha. Okay. Then I think we have covered everything. I forgot palang, bed. Pa से palang, bed. Pa से पेड़. Okay. So many words are there. You think of any 3 or 4 words. Okay. Can be patang, can be pani, or which you use very often. Palang. Palang means bed. Okay. Okay. Now what we'll do? We'll sing one song. I don't know why it's a very rainy day and I feel very sleepy. How do you feel? Who woke you up in the morning? Mummy woke you up, no? Yeah. Sometimes it's like that. You want to sleep a little longer. Generally, mommy and daddy will try to sleep a little longer on the Saturdays and Sundays. Is it not? It is a holiday, no work or something like that. They want to sleep a little longer. But something or the other will keep coming all the time, interrupting. One calling bell will come, one phone call will come, or you will hear the cars and bikes going honking, pom pom, like that. So this rhyme what we are going to sing is also like that. One little girl, she is trying to sleep. It's early morning, she wants to continue sleeping, maybe because it's a very nice, pleasant climate to sleep. But nobody is letting her sleep. Something or the other keeps disturbing. Shall we sing it? Okay. See, I got a takiya here for me. तो मैं क्या करने जा रही हूँ बोलो? मैं तो सोने जा रही हूँ. मैं क्या करने जा रही हूँ? सोने जा रही हूँ. गाएं क्या? ओके 1 2 3. मैं तो सो रही थी, मैं तो सो रही थी, मुझे मुर्गे ने बुलाया, बोली कुकड़ू कू कू, कुकड़ू कू कू. मैं तो सो रही थी, मैं तो सो रही थी, मुझे बिल्ली ने बुलाया, बोला म्याओ म्याओ म्याओ, म्याओ म्याओ म्याओ. मैं तो सो रही थी, मैं तो सो रही थी, मुझे कुत्ते ने बुलाया, बोला भाव भाव भाव, वुफ वुफ वुफ. मैं तो सो रही थी, मैं तो सो रही थी, मुझे कौवे ने बुलाया, बोला काव काव काव, काव काव काव. मैं तो सो रही थी, मैं तो सो रही थी, मोटर गाड़ी ने बुलाया, बोला पौ पौ पौ, पौ पौ पौ. मैं तो सो रही थी, मैं तो सो रही थी, मुझे मम्मी ने बुलाया, बोला उठ बेटा उठ, उठ बेटा उठ. मैं तो सो रही थी, मैं तो सो रही थी, मुझे कौवे ने बुलाया, मुझे मुर्गी ने बुलाया, मुझे बिल्ली ने बुलाया, मुझे कुत्ते ने बुलाया, मोटर गाड़ी ने बुलाया, मेरी मम्मी ने बुलाया, बोली मुझे सोना है. How was it? Did you like it? Yes, I am like that only. When I want to sleep, suddenly all the phone calls will come, or all the calling bells, doorbells, everything will come, or my children will keep coming and asking, Mummy, where is this? Mummy, where is that? They won't let me sleep itself. And I feel like crying and going off to sleep. Shut my ears, pull up the blankets and go off to sleep. Sometimes, no? होता है ऐसे. ठीक है. So I will send a video of this song. You can sing along with that. Okay? Hope you enjoyed the rhyme for this week. See you all in another video. Until then, bye bye. Dhanyavad.